Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a lovely day, because I was too, until I have to come inside and start working. Anyway guys, today I have a project for you, and I luckily remember when I was about to start on this project that I have to get my camera and turn it on, because I almost forget that I have to video it. So today I'm going to be showing you a youthful skin face serum. So you need your gloves, you need a bottle, to put all your products in. I'm going to be also putting out the recipe in front for you. So you can follow along with me and try this out. I'm pretty sure when you make things at home, it's way better than the stores, because at least you know what's in there. You know when it's expired, and it does not cost as much as the store though. So follow along with me. I have all my recipe up for you, and this is going to be, my bottle just fell down. So I'm gonna be using one of these little roller bottle here, and this is my roller bottle, and I am just showing you. I'm gonna be making a couple more, but I am going to be using the one with the ball in the middle, so you can just roll it wherever it needed to roll to. So let me go ahead and put all these oils in for you, and then we can recap later. Give me a minute while I get this in, and maybe it's not gonna work, maybe it will work. So as you can see, all these oils that I'm using here guys, I'm using the grapeseed oil, I'm using grapes, carrot oil, and I'm using vitamin E, frankincense, and I'm gonna be topping it off with I'm either gonna top it off with a curry oil, which is the coconut oil, or I'm gonna be using a bobo oil in this one. The one that I'm gonna be making after, and then I will show you that video tomorrow. Then I'm gonna be using a different recipe, but still using the jojoba oil. So I'm gonna be showing you that I also so let me use this oil here, the almond oil, because I have 3 oils here. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna be topping this off with the oil, and then you can give it a good shake after. So yes, I wanted to show you the top of this here. Oh, I capped it before, but I want to show you that I put the little thing inside of it with the ball, without the ball. So if you missed the recipe what I just did, I'm gonna be throwing it up on the screen for you. Also guys, if you need to order anything that I make here, you can email me at Ingridjoyaromas at gmail.com. You can also find me in Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And at this point, I think I can make approximately anything that a person needs, because people call me and ask me for things. All right, see you in the next video. Bye for now.